In this video, I'll explain what is the Parkinson's law and 3 ways how you can use it to get more done in less time. If you are a super ambitious person, willing to learn, grow and improve, then consider subscribing. With that aside, let's begin. The Parkinson's law says that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. Here is what happened to me. I worked on my graduation paper for 2 months and I was only halfway through, so I decided to leave it for the next year. And here is the interesting part. 2 days before the deadline, I get a call from the Student Affairs office and it went something like this.
Hey, you plan to graduate this year, right?
Well, yeah, but my paper is not finished yet.
How much more you need to do?
Well, not much.
This was obviously a lie.
Okay then, I expect the finished paper in 2 days. No excuses.
At this point I was like, what have I done? Is it even possible? But years of experience led to this moment, and I decided to give it a try. After 2 days and 1 all-nighter, the paper was complete. I was amazed and I couldn't believe it. 2 months of work done in 2 days. The moral of the story is this. If you give yourself 2 months to complete a task that can be done in 2 days, you'll need 2 months to complete it. So you can do more by giving yourself less time. When you are short on time, you will focus on the essential stuff, and the task will be much simpler. Here are 3 ways you can use this to your advantage. The first way is to set a strict deadline and to try to beat it. First, pick a task and give yourself certain amount of time to complete it. Now cut that time in half and try to finish the task before the given deadline. You will be surprised how many things can be done much faster than you expect. Another approach is to take the time you usually need to complete a given task, and every time you do the task, gradually decrease the time until you no longer can beat the deadline. This way you save time, your focus increases and the quality of work is the same, if not even better. The second thing you can do is to limit the time you check mail, Facebook, Instagram and all the other social media. The best way you can go here is to dedicate certain time periods of the day specifically for checking your mail and social media. Set an alarm and raise the clock. You see, most of the times we end up scrolling way too much and not even realize. If you want to beat phone addiction, check out the video I made. And the third thing you can do is to use the Pomodoro technique. This is my favorite productivity technique. It's very simple and super effective. The idea is that you work 25 minutes with no distractions and full focus on the given task, and then take a 5-minute break to move your body. This will help you beat procrastination, get more done and feel fresh for longer periods. I'll make a separate video about this in the future. I'm curious about you. Share some situation when you use the Parkinson's law without even realizing.